Getting that sinking feeling when your turbocharger refuses to kick in, and your car struggles just to climb a simple hill, is a classic sign that your engine has stored a P003B code. This trouble code indicates that the boost control arm, which is responsible for moving the tiny vanes inside your turbocharger, has exceeded its learning limit, and the engine control module, or EE. These variable vanes are supposed to adjust on the fly to give you power when you need it while maintaining an ideal air and fuel mixture, but they often get stuck due to a heavy buildup of exhaust soot, especially if the vehicle is driven mostly on short trips or in heavy city traffic. When the computer loses its ability to control this boost, it will throw the car into a fail-safe mode to prevent an overboost situation that could literally blow your engine apart from the inside out. When you go to investigate this, please be extremely careful, because turbos generate a dangerous amount of heat and can cause serious burns, so make sure the engine is completely cool before you reach in to find the boost control solenoid. Once you find it, try to see if the mechanical lever moves freely by hand, because if it is frozen solid, you might be looking at a clogged charger that needs a deep cleaning or a full replacement. You should also pay very close attention to the wiring harness, because since it is positioned so close to the exhaust, the heat can often make the wires brittle and prone to shorting out against the engine block or snapping inside the insulation. Check the connectors for any signs of water intrusion or green crusty corrosion, which could be causing high resistance and confusing the computer into thinking the mechanical parts are failing when it is really just a bad electrical connection. Sometimes an exhaust leak before the turbo can also cause these readings to go out of range, so listen for any unusual hissing or ticking sounds while the engine is running. Repairing this quickly is the best way to avoid damaging internal engine components and to get your fuel mileage back to where it belongs.